everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm going to be flipping through the new Favorite Floral sticker book from KellofaPlan. This releases today. I will have the info down in the description if you're interested in purchasing. I'll also have my affiliate link. If you want to use that, I'd appreciate it. But yeah, I'm going to flip through this and then I'm going to do a plan with me featuring this book and a couple of Heather's other books. But I just love the cover of this. It's so pretty. So it's called Favorite Florals. There's lots of florals in here. Oh, and another thing to note about this book is it's all paper florals. So here's the first theme. These really pretty clusters of florals, pinks, and kind of like a reddish tone. So you get 2 sheets like that. Then we have some purples and oranges. 2 as well, so you get 2 duplicate sheets. Ooh, look at this like gray. That's pretty. It's different. 2 of those. These are pinks and yellows. Ooh, I like these corner pieces. Those are pretty. And then more pinks and kind of like a green color. That's pretty. I feel like that could be a good like Christmas theme one. Pinks and oranges. This one has some purple and blue. Oh, another thing, this one's 40 pages. It's a bigger sticker book. Some autumn florals. Those are nice. These are pretty. They're kind of like a reddish color. Christmas ones. Those are pretty. I like the little acorns mixed in. These kind of look like realistic ones. Those are pretty, like maybe like Valentine's Day. Some fall ones with the pumpkins. I love the mix of the pumpkins. Purple. Some sunflowers. Ooh, blue. Those are good. I'm looking for some blue ones. And I like that everything is blue. That's a good one. Purple. Ooh, I like this pink with this like dark, it's almost black, but kind of like dark gray. That's pretty. Maybe for like a Halloween spread. I think this is the one I'm going to use because it's like very summery. A little seahorse, a pineapple, some kind of like purpley, like a moody kind of purple, and then more pink and green. Okay, so that is the last page. That is Favorite Florals from KellofaPlan. Again, 40 pages. I believe back here, yeah, contains 40 sheets of stickers, and they are all paper, which usually I like clear, but when things are already clustered together like this, paper works out just great. So I'm going to use them because then you don't have to like color lines and all that. So I'm going to use this. I also have some of the Heather's other books to pull into a spread just to do a quick plan with me featuring this book. So got some pages. And like I said, I'm going to use those like the theme with the summer theme. This one. So this is the page I'm going to use. And then I pulled these books because the boxes. Obviously this is all decorative, which is nice because I feel like we all have a good... Ooh, this one's a good one. I'm going to use this. Yeah, I feel like we all have lots of boxes in our collections and have been planning for a while. We have lots of choices for that nowadays. But I will have all of this, if it's still available, will be on Heather's site. I thought that this one would be pretty. Yeah, it's a pretty light blue. Okay, so she's got some good sized boxes in her sticker books that I'm going to use. And let's see. So she has some like side pieces. I mean, I never put anything over here, but I could. Or I could do this one. I'm gonna do something different. Okay, I'm gonna go for it because I never put things here. Okay, that's pretty. Again, since I don't have to cluster these things, it works that it's paper, in my opinion. So I actually don't mind that these are paper. Sometimes I prefer that because I don't have to cover up lines. Because if this was clear, I'd have to cover up all these lines. I'd have to cover up this line. You know how that goes. So sometimes it saves time to have paper stickers. Okay, we got a corner piece here. So I'm just gonna stick this in the corner. I'm gonna, I'll just stick it here above the quote, like that. Cute. Okay, let me grab some of these boxes. I really like this color. Reminds me of the ocean, or like beach themed stuff. But I need to find another box, another color box, which I found this Neutral Basics, because I think this color is pretty. I wonder how this mix well. We shall see. Oh yeah, it does. Okay, I'm gonna go this way with it. Got a cute little pineapple. Stick it on the corner. And then more of these like side pieces that are already cut, which is nice. So I'm just gonna stick it on the side. And I'll stick boxes here too. Okay, so I'm gonna grab another one of those pink boxes. Just layer that here on top. And then grab some more blue boxes. Layer that. I want to get the little seahorse guy. Let's see, where can I put him? Because he's cute. Put them there. Okay. I just love these colors. They're so pretty. Really, really pretty. Okay, I'm not sure where I want to put this. So, where's my wax paper? Okay, I'm going to put this on some wax paper. I'm not sure where I want to put that. Okay. As you can see, I've almost used this whole page, which is nice. I want to add in some functional stickers from her books. So, she does have like headers and words like this, today's top 3. I'm actually gonna cut this like the bottom just so it's straight. I like to have like a straight edge when I put these on top of boxes like that. Okay, so that works. Let's see if there are words in here. Oh yeah, there are. Okay, so I can grab I'm gonna grab it. I'm gonna put it in the middle. Okay. And let's do this week's focus over here for this box there. And then I think there are checklists and bullet points, so I can add some of these. Let's see, I kind of want one here on Sunday. I can add a peach one on the other side. I'll do one here. And And then I think I'm gonna add one down here too. Okay, so this one will go here. All right. And then let's see about putting just a couple more boxes around this spread. So let's stick this one here. Oops. Let me grab another peach one. Let's see, where can I put this one? I'm gonna put it here. And then I think I want to add some bullet points. Yeah, I'm going to do blue bullet points up here. So she has a bunch of good functional stickers. So I'm going to add 2 here. And I want to do the peach color ones. I'll do 2 here as well. And then I'll do 1 down here. Okay. Love it. All right. So now that I have like a box or a functional sticker, I try to always put like something in each day. So here I have checklist and box. I have little bullet points. So every day has something. So once I get to that point, now I can just add in stuff. So have a little bit more fun with it since I've already added in everything else. But I have to be a little bit more, like where am I gonna put these? Because I don't want to put like right on top of everything. Okay, let me see about these smaller ones, because maybe these little small ones will fit better. Like I could put one here. Although for these, I do like them to be like under the sticker. So let me just layer it this way. Okay, so I got a little bit there. And then I do have this little tiny baby one. Little tiny one. Let's see, where should I put this? Because I don't want it to be in the way of things. I feel like it looks pretty good though. Unless I add it with the flip-flops. Like, let me just layer it under here. Let's see, maybe this way. Okay, so add a little flower there. Cute. I think that looks really pretty. I'm loving this color combo. It's very summery. So pretty. So 1 sheet in this book is good for a spread, as you can see. And I still have like this sticker here, and then I have these here as well. So if you like to add more stickers in, but I feel like with the amount of functional stickers, leaving myself space for other things, I feel like this is a good use of that 1 sheet. And you do get 2 sheets of each design in this book, so that's pretty good. All right, I think the last thing I'm going to do though is I just want to finish it off with some washi. Hopefully I can find a good washi roll to, you know, mix with this spread because it's so pretty. I think I have a washi. This kind of reminds me of this, like the color. So I'm gonna add this one into this spread because I have it. So I feel like it'll work just to finish off the spread a little bit. I believe this washi is from a baby release, like when they had like a baby book and there was coordinating washi that came with it, and this was that from that pack. That was such a good pack. I think I bought the baby girl and the baby boy washi packs. I think maybe just the baby girl one, and it just had really cute patterns in it that I've been able to incorporate a lot of it into spreads. And I really like this really skinny washi because it fits nicely like under the, like right above this line. So you don't take up too much space with washi on the spread, which I like. Okay, a little bit more down here. I have another washi. I have this washi, I think. Reminds me of something you'd find in the ocean. I don't know if I should add this too. I haven't done a double layered washi, like a stacked washi, in a while. Is this a good idea or not? I have no idea. Okay, I'm looking at it and it's a little bit too much in my opinion. Maybe if I just go through the spread, just for a little bit, like little doses of it might be better, just so it doesn't distract from the spread. I feel like the color's pretty good. Okay, I think I'll just do it on the same line so it matches. But yeah, the spread came together pretty quick, so that's good. Again, this book will be available to purchase today. I'll have all the info down in the description if you're interested in purchasing. Yeah, came out really pretty. Such a pretty summer themed spread, really easy to put together, especially if you have Heather's other, like her functional books, these basics books. These are really good, and I absolutely love the neutral one. I just love the colors that she chose in this one. So yeah, I love the range of colors that she puts in her books. So that's gonna be it for this spread. I hope you all enjoyed watching this flip through, and then also this plan with me. Definitely check out Favorite Florals. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.